inspired me to make this was to turn the map of Singapore Zoo into a fun game. I wanted to encourage more people to visit the zoo and learn about the animals. That is why I decided to make an interactive map where people can click on different areas to complete quizzes and games. The games are also inspired by animals at Singapore Zoo and are meant to spark interest in visiting it. This is the start of the app where the user can join or quit. Over here is a map of Singapore Zoo and animals in that area. Users will have to go through 9 levels to complete the game. This is the start. There is a quiz and a game for each level. The quiz is customized to fit each animal. After that, the user can play the game, which is a maze. Each level is a different maze, which progressively gets harder. When they complete all levels, the game will end.